Man, god damn it, I can't do it. A computer over there. Oh my god. It won't start. I'm trying to... Oh, I'll be back. I'll try and start it again. Yo, right now I'm down in the apartments. I'm in Century Woods Apartments. Alright. Come on, wake up. Wake up. It ain't turning on. Tell me what's wrong because it won't turn on, bro. Jesus. I have to sit here and stare at this phone all day trying to make a video for no reason because nobody's gonna watch it or like or comment. Mostly comment, nobody is.